أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Muhammad MQasimIlmi from Al-Furqan Al-Hakeem, Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today I'm making video for ablution and salah. So this video would be very important for those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world and teach the kids. And my humble request to all of you, please share this video and watch this video completely till to end. It will be very thankful to you for this favor. And is it possible to share it on different social medias? Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook and TikTok. Let's start. The procedure of making wuzu. Number 1, to wash one's hands, face and feet, etc. Before performing namaz is called wuzu or ablution. No namaz is accepted without wuzu. Number 2, one should sit on a high and clean place to perform wuzu. Face the direction of the Holy Kaaba Sharif if possible. Dua before commencing wuzu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Using tahir, clean water. First wash both the hands up to the wrists 3 times. Look in this picture. Do like this. This one and this one. Use a miswak for cleaning the teeth and then gargle the mouth 3 times. It is sunnah to make miswak during a wuzu. Look in this picture. Thereafter take water up to the nostrils 3 times with the right hand and clean the nose with the left hand. Look in both pictures. Then wash your face 3 times. Wash from the hairy part of the forehead to below the chin and from one ear lobe to the other. Look in this picture. This area and this area and this area. Then make hilal of the beard. Thereafter wash the right hand including the elbows 3 times. Look in this picture. Elbow. Look. Then wash the left hand including the elbow thrice. Like that. And like this. Like this. Then make hilal of the fingers. Look in this picture like this. Do like this. Thereafter with the hands and pass them over the head, ears and neck. This must be done once only. It is known as masa. Masa. With the hands and the fingers, keep 3 fingers of each hand together, a middle finger, ring finger, and a little finger. Keep thumb and indexing finger raised away. Keep thumb, indexing finger, and palm away from the head. Pass the 3 fingers from the forehead to the upper portion of the neck. Then place the palm on the sides of the head and bring forward to forehead. Look in both pictures. Be carefully. Then insert the front portion of the index finger into the openings of the ear. Look these pictures. Be carefully. Then make masa behind the ears with the inner part of the thumb Make masa of the nap with the back of the middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Then wash both the feet including the ankles 3 times. First the right hand, then the left foot. This is the right and the left. Look, both feet pictures. Be carefully. First wash the right foot, then make khilal including the ankle and of the toes. Then wash the left foot, then make khilal including the ankle and of the toes. And I hope so you will like this video, and if you like, you must share this video as much as you can. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.